Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, it is part 2 of the trailer build. The first part, I introduced the trailer build, which if you haven't seen it yet, look up top up here. I'm going to put it up here. Go ahead and click right up on there and you can check out the video as well after this one, of course. And at the end, I will put it up here as well for you guys, okay? So you guys can click it and check it out and kind of see where we're going with it. So if you haven't seen it, this one might seem a little confusing to you. Now, you guys see right here, Horizon Hobby sent my stickers, guys. I got about half them cars on their stickers. Dude, I'm stoked. Let's go ahead and get up into this video and check everything out. Well guys, as you guys can see, we are cutting aluminum. Now this one is going to be for down here. If we decided to do inside the C-channel or on top of the C-channel. But as of right now, we got this piece set. There's that one. And then we got this one. We got those two pieces cut. All I got to do is notch this section right here, so I'll be able to cap the end, so it's all capped out. We're gonna go ahead and get these other two pieces cut out for our framework, and we'll actually have the structure made already. So let me go ahead and get to that, because you guys don't need to have all the noise or everything. I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit, and we're gonna get right back to you guys. Well guys, there it is. There is the actual decking for the trailer right now. I have no structure in it right now or anything. I just wanted to get all my pieces cut and ready to go. I still got to do the undercarriage, but if we decide to do it in the C channel, we're okay, we can. Or we can do it just like this, design the L, so I can braze all that together up inside, so get a nice coat in there, and then we'll take this and put it right on the top, and we'll have plenty of room to do that as well. Kind of get a little quick little setup for you guys. And it ain't gonna be 100%, but you guys will get the gist of it. There we go. You guys kind of see structure, and then this will set on the top. Like so. We can either do it that way, back to the original way we did before, or go inside the channels. So we're going to figure out which way we want to go. But I wanted to get to this point and kind of show you guys where we're at. Well, as you guys can see behind me, we have the framing set up, as you guys seen in the clips. Definitely that little Mighty Mite table saw, that little 4-inch table saw we picked up at Harbor Freight. Well, the blade that it came on there with, yeah, we were going to be forever. This thing just cut awfully slow, as you guys can see in the clip. I changed blades, run the 24 tooth blade. Not sure where the package is, so I can show you guys. But that one made a world of difference. That thing, it cut through it like butter. I mean, a lot better. It cut the way it's supposed to cut. So, awesome. Glad it worked. So, as you can see, on the bench behind me, without the tongue, this thing's already way longer than what it has been. And that was the whole design aspect of it. We want to be able to tow the drag car with this thing, and trail trucks, maybe try to do 2 trail trucks on here. That might be pushing it, but we're going to try. Definitely be able to get the little minis on here, all 3 minis with plenty of room. Maybe the 3 minis and the full-size truck. That'd be an epic one to do. So this is my take on building a trailer. There might be other ways out there that might be easier. But the first time I done one, you guys seen back about a year ago, that thing I made pretty much with the same stuff, but I pop riveted it. Aluminum pop rivets throughout the whole thing. And you know, I haven't fixed one thing on that trailer. Everything has worked perfect with it. And you see, I tow with it all the time. My buddy Lee, we were out rock crawling one time, and he took the Remo with the trailer and was trying to rock crawl with the trailer, and it was going over stuff. It was so funny. I'm gonna have to do that on video for you guys. That was cool. But stay tuned for the part 3 of this video, where we're gonna get the rest of these ribbons cut out so we can get all the bracing put in the trailer. This one's gonna be a tandem axle, and we are going to do a dovetail on this trailer. So it's going to be a little different than the other one. Going to make it a little easier to do the drag car on it. We're going to try our hand at brazing, aluminum brazing. I didn't want to pop rivet this one. I want a nice clean look. So guys, stick around. If you guys want to learn something, we're going to do this together, guys. I appreciate everything. Thank you for all your support out there. Much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what's going on? Hit that subscribe button down there. Don't forget the notification bell so you know when I upload new ones. Because we're going to be doing an awful lot of these, trying to get this trailer all fixed up. I've got some more upgrades coming. It's going to be a surprise. We're not going to do an unboxing. When I get them, I'm going to show you what we got. Alright, there's going to be no unboxing. Hey, you know, whatever. I know what it is. I'm just going to share it with you guys, so we can start getting some upgrades done on some of our trucks. But I appreciate everybody. Thanks.